let's reunite. Invitations for everyone, we finna party all night. Feel the island beat and dance to the rhythm. Moving left to right and feel the island fever. It's a beautiful day, so let's do the damn thing. Barbecuing at the beach and we feeling the same. We having a party where the palm trees sway. So park your ride on the side, man, and come this way. We got the grub on the grill and the drinks in the cooler. This island jam got all the honeys doing the hula. Having a good time, so sit up with some cheers. A big thing going on, party of the year. It's the party of the year, so invite a friend. So when next year comes, we gon' party again. So feel the melody and get up on your feet and get your boogie on to this Polynesian beat.
Oh, there's a party here on the island. Everybody feeling good and we vibing to that music that we bring. Everybody get together and sing. Oh, there's a party here on the island. Everybody feeling good and we vibing to that music that we bring. Everybody get together and sing.
Feel the long breeze under palm trees in the calm seas. It's an island party, so we rolling up that bomb weed. Dig through my laundry, I'm pulling out the tall tee. Throw on the Dickies, white Cortez, look like a boss. G game started cousin, it's a beautiful day. Now let me take you to the rock where all the oozles parlay. It's bonafide, bumpers in your ride. Throw your hands up high, wave them side to side. Hit them with that true some more pride. There couldn't be a better feeling when we posting and grinding. That's the way we getting down in these tropical islands. Keep the mood level, so we gon' give you this to groove with. Making music steady, pushing this poly movement. It's gravity, we moving things massively. Make it plain and simple so my people's understanding me. Get your boogie on and see familiar faces, cause we bound to keep it slapping on a regular basis.
Oh, there's a party here on the island. Everybody feeling good and we vibing to that music that we bring. Everybody get together and sing. Oh, there's a party here on the island. Everybody feeling good and we vibing to that music that we bring. Everybody get together and sing.
We can party till the morning light and watch the rising, it's a beautiful sunrise. Chilling around the fire side by side, admiring the ocean, it reflects the moonlight. Laughing and talking, reminiscing on them good days. Relax, watching the daylight fade. Get together and head this way, cause you're invited to that island party.
Everybody wanna party, come party this way. Everybody on the island, it's a happy hour day. Now moving on down, pass a coconut around. Full of girls on the ground, we go round and round. Everybody wanna party, come party this way.